National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hunt County in north central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wiley, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wiley, Greenville, Princeton, Farmersville, Lowry Crossing, Cattle Mills, Greenville City Lakes, Levon, St. Paul, Nevada, Josephine, Clinton, Branch, Center Point, Floyd, Levon Lake, and Cokeville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 86 and 97. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service